Hi guys, so I saw this hack on YouTube that really caught my interest about bringing faded plastic back to life using a propane torch or a heat gun. So I figured I'd give it a try and we'll see what happens. I don't recommend you do this. I'm doing this on my own vehicle, on my own property. So anything you do at your own risk. I thought I'd try it on the old pickup here, and I'm not recommending this or not recommending that. I'm just trying it out, and as you can see the difference there, it looks like it works, but you always want to have water nearby. Heat gun might be better, not really sure, but there you go. They weren't fibbing. You can see the difference. Right there, that gives you a good shot of it there. So the things you learn on YouTube. So I thought I'd try it up here on this pickup truck. As you can see, works good. So I'm not sure how long it lasts, but it's probably easier to do than using paint and less messy. I'm probably going to do it all. You can see how the top of that front bumper turned out. Man, it looks like new. So the one thing I was able to figure out what I'll do next time is just take the compressor and make sure I blow all the dirt and everything, clean it all up really good. And any parts that I can, I will remove and do off the vehicle. And probably wash anything I can't take off the vehicle, because there is a lot of crud that comes with fading that won't necessarily do a good job on, and some of that could light on fire. So I'm going to be very careful and have a bucket of water and a fire extinguisher right beside me when I do it. And that's for another day. So that's it for this one. Catch you later.